vlogs. Heather's family vlogs. Heather's family vlogs. Right there, and right there. Hey family, how you doing? Heather here. Ow. Morning, guys. Heather here. Heather not feeling well. Heather in a lot of pain. Heather didn't do her hair. I don't care. I went to the doctor's yesterday because it was my HIV checkup, you know. I've just been in so much pain, guys, from my neck area, from here, all the way down. You know, I don't have feeling on my right side. Hold on. I'm sorry, I am arguing with this stupid bitch called Mom. You know, because of her, she kept me from my real father. Because of her, I wasn't raised with my real father. Because of her, I lost my kids. Because of her, everything falls on her. Not everything falls on this stupid bitch. You know, like I just told her, you want to know how I fucking felt? I felt fucked up. My sister had a father. I didn't have a father. I couldn't take my dad to the father and daughter dance because I didn't have a dad. But my sister did. You threw me away like I was a piece of shit. Ever since I was a little girl. Just drop it already. Leave me alone. I'm 47 years old. Drop it. I'm pissed now. I don't feel good and she's making me fucking mad. I didn't keep you from your father. Yes, you did. I don't want to hear it. But anyway, yesterday I went to the doctors. And Manny did some video of Kiwi. And check it out.
Okay, guys. Look at Kiwi. Yep. He's playing on the little porch thing. They say it's edible, I don't know, but he's look like he's beating it up. And it's good for his beak too, because his beak was a little too long, so maybe it'll fall off. But yeah, look at him. He's like, what the hell is this? Look at him. He's over there talking to himself like, what? Yep. Yep. He's looking like, what the fuck was that? Sorry for cursing, but look at him. He's like, what the hell was that? Kiwi. Look at him. He's trying to figure out what the hell was that. Now he's playing with that up there. Yep. Yep. Look at him. Oh, I'm using guys, look at Kiwi. He's on his new perch. He's biting on the confetti. Look, guys. She's not here right now, but I'm just doing this real quick. Look. Look at him. Look at him. He's playing with the toys. He finally got to learn what that perch is. Wow. Oh, guys, look at that. I think he's playing with the little confetti stuff. He's in a mood to play today. Alright, guys, just letting y'all know that he's happy. He's playing on his perch. You know, that's the first time he's actually playing. Gotta watch him with that plastic because, you know, want him to get hurt himself. But yeah, he's playing. Have a good one, guys.
Right? He was just squawking and playing and all of that happy horse stuff. He is so adorable. I don't know why my mom is starting with me right now. She's gonna really make me cry. Sometimes I just hate my life. I've had a rough life, y'all. And she's fucking taking it out of me right now. Like, so much anger. I've been through so much. It wasn't even supposed to be about this. It was supposed to be a video about Kiwi. And then oops. You know, people don't learn. People, need to learn how to forgive themselves. You gotta learn how to forgive yourself before you can forgive others. I'm just letting y'all know that. I forgive myself for everything I have done in my life, and God knows that. But the thing is if you keep putting it in cycle, it's not gonna even get looked at. It's gonna get brushed off by God because you keep making the same fucking mistake. See, that's the difference between me and my mother. I don't make the mistakes twice. I learned from the first. I grew up in the streets. You understand what I'm saying? I was in prison. I did drugs, sold drugs, carried guns, did this. It's not worth it. I changed my life for the better, not for the worse. And she's like 60 odd years old and still doing the same shit she did when I was a kid. That is crazy. You hear Kiwi. Kiwi don't like it, I'm upset. Right, Kiwi? He's just so cute. And Onyx is doing good. I just don't want to get up, y'all, because, like I said, I don't feel well. But Onyx is good. Manny is not home, so, that's like another reason I don't want to get up, because I have been having, like, seizures and falls and stuff, So I just gotta stay right here till he gets back home from the doctor. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm sorry about this bullshit, but it's just drama, if you ask me, Hold on a second. Now they sending me videos. This is ridiculous. They making me very upset. Anyway, guys, I love each and every one of you. Please tell your family and friends to like, subscribe, share, follow me literally on everything. Remember, hit that notification bell when you want to be notified when I put my brand new videos. I love each and every one of you. God bless, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Peace.